Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have Nokia C01 Plus and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to do this is from main menu. We must swipe up the screen and go to the calendar application. In it, we press on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 10th of January, and after that this plus icon. Events, and now we can add people when we want. After that we click done, and there we have add title, what you really want, day, time when the event start and finish, or we can press that will be all day. Add people, add video conference to event, location of that, what you want, maybe some notification, vehicle color which we see in our calendar, a description to it, and when we add what we want, we click save. And after that we have it in our gallery right there. We can custom it by press on it and this pen icon, and there we can custom it again. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.